You must be interested in promoting uh, yourself as a forex trainer on Google Ads, and you must be wondering either is it accepted or not. Because recently I got a question from one of my friend regarding, can I run my ads on Google Ads as a forex trainer? Because Google is very concerned and very strict regarding policies when it comes to health policies or financial niche. Health industry and financial niche both are very strict compliant based niche, and Google is very concerned on whatever website is being run in those industries. And regular checkups, more frequent checkups, and more frequent quality compliances are being done on the websites to ensure that these websites are compliance of the Google design policies. So in this video I will be discussing on, can I promote myself as a forex trainer on Google or not. So stay with me on this and let's get started with this. The question most people ask is that, can I run my ads? So because Google do allow to run forex based ads or even crypto ads, as far as you have proper licensing and certification done in your country and from Google. The rules changes from country to country, but with major countries, they require you to meet their logical local requirement, which is extremely necessary. But now, because you are not doing forexing, but rather you are portraying yourself as a forex trainer. So because as a forex trainer and promoting forex, both are different things. So now the question is, can I promote myself as a forex trainer or not? But before I say that, let's discuss some of the financial policies. Because advertisers who promote complex speculative financial products, contracts for different rolling, sport forex, financial or cryptocurrency exchanges are allowed to advertise through Google Ads, but they must be certified by Google, and their products, landing pages, and ad must meet logical requirements of the country or region where they want to get certified for. You can see that they have different rules, like contracts for different rolling, sport forex, ads allowed with limitations. Google Ads allow promoting, but this questions does not answer my question. My answer is that, is I'm allowed to promote myself as a forex trainer or not. So we can do two things, and this will help you to finalize, can we do, or we can search out on Google that are there any companies who are promoting this or not. So let's say I'm going to run on Google US and Google.ae and Google.co.uk. So to see, and then I will also do a test on I will also do a test on SEMrush to ensure my question. Okay, so this is a Binance app, but actually this is promoting free forex trading course. Start your first course today. Okay, so free focus on technical analysis with certificate, expand yourself. I believe that they have a certificate. Let me explore more, but they are doing the thing which I assumed that we needed. Also, they are also promoting a course, again that is the same company, Binance. We know that and then here you can see free trading training, day trading courses, free trading. Okay, so I just want to see that, are they actually trading platforms, or they include training as a part of their trading platform? Because if they are a trading platform, they need to get certified, but I just want to see that they are either running only training or training plus trading both. Okay, so you can see now that this is a ninjacaters.com, and they are running a product which is actually not, they are not running a trading system, but they are actually guiding you. Okay, so this is what we want now. Okay, so they are also adding a disclaimer. Disclaimer is very important when it comes to financial issues, to tell them. So this is a very high degree of risk involvement in trading. Past performance is not necessary. Okay, you also have to write in here that you are not doing trading, but you are doing training regarding trading. Okay, so this is all the statement they are. Now let me see the. Okay, so see that is a trading platform, and trading platform most probably have training certificate. Now this another website, simple trading. Now with the memberships they are offering, they are also a trading platform. And now that is much more important, because Ellison is more regarding teaching, free online courses with certificates and diplomas. So you can see that Allison is promoting free forex trading course. Okay, they do not have a trading platform, and they are promoting a course. So I just wanted to be in sure on this. So they are promoting a course regarding forex trading. They do not have a forex lessons. Why? Because they are not a trading platform, but rather an educational platform where they teach different courses and certificates. So that is a free online course, explore the forex market, which ensures our original question, and that is because LMS is available on educational system. So they are actually selling courses. You can see that explore diplomas and certificate, discover career. So this Ellison is more about a course selling website. So this answers our question that we can run forex trading ads on Google Ads without any cause of concern, as long as we are not promoting or running trading services on our website. So I hope this answers the question regarding can I run as a forex trainer my ads on Google Ads. I hope this answers it.